How do I revert to a previous package in Anaconda? If I do, I can see all of the packages available. I updated my pandas to the latest this morning, but I need to revert to a prior version now. I tried, but that didn't work. How do I specify which version to use?
I had to use the install function instead.
For the case that you wish to revert a recently installed package that made several changes to dependencies, such as TensorFlow, you can roll back to an earlier installation state via the following method. The first command shows previous installation revisions, with dependencies, and the second reverts to whichever revision number you specify. Note that if you wish to reinstall a later revision, you may have to sequentially reinstall all intermediate versions. If you had been at revision 23, reinstalled revision 20 and wished to return, you may have to run each.
I know it was not available at the time, but now you could also use Anaconda Navigator to install a specific version of packages in the Environments tab.
Isso é